good evening, cherished viewers. If today is the first time you are watching any of our videos on this channel, you are most warmly welcome to Danicom platform. If you are following us, please click on the subscription button and hit on the notification bell. This is a channel where we take our time and walk you through all the basic things that you need that will make your life very simple when it comes to technology, social media, devices and other things. Please don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime we post a video, you will get a notification. In today's video, we are going to take our time and walk you through what RGD has come up with. RGD simply means Registrar General Department. If you are into business, you understand what I am talking about. Meaning if you want a business certificate, where you are supposed to visit for your business certificate is this department, Registrar General Department. Registrar General Department, that is where you are supposed to visit to get your documents done. They have come up with an information that is vital, so we want to make our viewers aware of. Right now, because of the help of technology, you don't need to walk into certain offices to get your things done. You can renew your business certificate using a short code, and I will show you in the course of this video. Please don't go anywhere. Share our video to educate somebody. We will be giving you more information concerning businesses and what RGD has come up with going forward. Quickly, let's start. If you want to renew your business certificates and you want to avoid the stress of going to RGD, Registrar General Department. If you are watching me and you want to renew your business certificate, what you quickly have to do is that you dial *222#, then you follow the prompt. It's simple. You'll be able to renew your business certificate over there. Quickly, the most important information I want to put across is that from 30th of this month, which is 30th June, Registrar General Department is telling the public that if you have not filed your annual returns, or you don't file your annual returns as a business owner, and you have not also been updating your records with them for them to know that this business is in existence. Why do you have to do that? Because a lot of businesses are coming to their department to register their business, but sometimes some names exist already in the system as if they are in operation but not in reality. And so constantly you have to update your records with Registrar General Department for them to know that your business is still operational. And so if you want to do all these things, you can use the *222# to do this renewal. The most important thing is that after 30th of this month, if you have not filed your returns, if you have not updated your records with them, and 30th of this month passed, every day they are going to charge you 300 cedis for not doing what you were supposed to do right. And so if you are a business owner, you are now coming into business and you don't know whether you should register a business certificate and hold on for a moment before you start the business, you have to think about this first. Because if you register the certificate, every year you are expected to file your returns. You are also expected to renew your business certificate. And so if you refuse to renew your business certificate, if you refuse to file your returns at the end of every year or every month according to their terms and conditions, you are going to be charged daily, which is 300 cedis. Multiply 300 cedis by 22 working days in a month. Is a huge amount of money. And so to all business owners and to all those who want to venture into business, please look at it very well. If you're already a business, you have to always file your returns. If you are already operating as a company, you have to always renew your business certificate. If not, they are going to be charging you 300 cedis penalty at the end of every working day or 24 hours after 30th of this month. Thank you very much for watching this short video. This is Danicom channel. We give you education, we give you technology news, we give you how to go by social media trends and other things. Thank you. Subscribe, share, and